Is it the right time to buy or sell Fisker stock? In this video, we'll be delving deep into Fisker, providing you with an even more detailed analysis than our initial report published on our website on Wednesday, November 22, 2023. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and enable notifications to stay up to date with our latest analysis. Missing out on crucial updates that could impact your investments is something you'll want to avoid. Take your trading decisions to the next level by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Access the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Remember, this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since October 19, 2023, our system has ranked Fisker as a strong sell candidate, assigning it a score of -5.61. Now, let's take a closer look at the stock's performance during this period. The stock has experienced a substantial loss of -62.87%. This means that on average, the stock has been losing -2.51% per day since it was flagged as a strong sell candidate. The stock is currently in a downward trend, presenting a potential buying opportunity. If the price breaks the lower trend floor at $1.95, it may indicate a stronger decline. Based on the 3-month trend, there is a possibility of a -40.54% change in the next 3 months, with potential returns ranging from -45.37% to 37.45%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a -28.51% change over the next year, with potential returns between -32.88% and 105.59%. This implies a price range of $1.42 to $4.36 after 1 year. Our latest update on Fisker brings some exciting news. The stock price showed significant movement on Wednesday, with an 18.44% difference between the highest and lowest points. On the last trading day, which was Wednesday, November 22, 2023, Fisker's stock price increased by 6%, going from $2 to $2.12. Throughout the day, the stock experienced a fluctuation of 18.44%, starting at a low of $1.79 and reaching a high of $2.12. It's worth noting that the stock has fallen in 7 out of the last 10 days, resulting in a 46.87% decrease overall. However, the recent increase in volume along with the rising price indicates a positive trend. In fact, 7 million more shares were traded compared to the previous day, totaling 39 million shares traded and a value of approximately $82.99 million. Taking a look at the past 52 weeks, the highest recorded price for Fisker stock was $8.67, while the lowest was $1.79. As of now, the current price is 75.53% lower than the 52-week high, which amounts to $6.55. Furthermore, it is 93.37% lower than the all-time high reached on March 2, 2021, when the price peaked at $31.96. Analyst Ratings. On Tuesday, November 14, 2023, Needham gave FSR a hold grade with a hold action. Also on Tuesday, November 14, 2023, Raymond James gave FSR a market perform grade with a hold action. On Monday, February 27, 2023, CFRA gave FSR a sell grade with an upgrade action. Furthermore, on Wednesday, November 30, 2022, Evercore ISI gave FSR an outperform grade with an initialize action. Additionally, on Tuesday, November 15, 2022, Morgan Stanley gave FSR an equal weight grade with a hold action. Analysts have given Fisker stock an overall rating of neutral. They consider the PE ratio and price-to-book values as both being rated as strong buy. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a rating of sell. Today, we're going to talk about the signals for Fisker, a popular stock in the market. Let's start with the good news. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, November 21, 2023, and the stock has risen by 6% since then. This indicates that the price is likely to continue rising until a new top pivot is found. Additionally, the volume is also increasing along with the price, which is considered to be a positive sign. However, there are also some negative signals that we need to consider. Both short and long-term moving averages suggest a sell signal for the Fisker stock, which indicates a more negative forecast. Moreover, the relation between the two signals shows a general sell signal, with the long-term average above the short-term average. This suggests that the stock may face some challenges in the near future. On the upside, if there are any corrections and the stock price goes up, it may encounter resistance at $2.62 and $4.66. However, if the price manages to break above these levels, it will issue a buy signal. Lastly, we have to consider the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, which is currently showing a sell signal. This adds another negative aspect to the overall analysis. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots show a buy signal 2 days ago. Bollinger signals a buy 52 days ago. The short-term moving average indicates a buy signal 16 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a sell signal 28 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal 31 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart. The short moving average indicates a sell signal 28 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a sell signal 27 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal 20 days ago. Don't forget to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Fisker. Let's talk about the support, risk, and stop loss levels for Fisker stock. Firstly, there is a support level just below today's price at $2, indicated by significant accumulated volume. However, it's important to note that if the stock drops below this support level, there is a possibility of a substantial decline in its price. Moving on to the risk associated with this stock, it is considered to be very high risk due to its high volatility. The stock has been known to experience significant price fluctuations throughout the day, as well as having a wide prediction interval from the Bollinger Band. To give you an idea, in the past day, the stock had a price range of $0.330, which is equivalent to 18.44% of its value. Over the last week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 17.02%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Fisker, let's quickly review some important fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. If a company has a negative P/E ratio, it means they have negative earnings or are losing money. Established companies can go through challenging periods, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative P/E ratios may indicate insufficient profit and potential risks of bankruptcy. Moving on, the next earnings report for Fisker's fourth quarter of 2023 is expected to be released on February 26, 2024. Today, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Fisker. If we see an upward trend, the first resistance level for Fisker is at $2.35. If you don't currently own any shares, it might be a good idea to wait until this level is breached before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, Fisker faces its first support level at $2. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, with the potential for a rebound. The average rating for Fisker from multiple analysts is currently neutral. Now, let's take a closer look at some recent insider trades. On November 6, 2023, Decoding conducted an insider buy of 160,183 shares of Class A common stock. On November 6, 2023, Decoding conducted another insider buy, this time of 0 shares. On October 6, 2023, Gruel Wendy J. conducted an insider buy of 2,025 shares of Class A common stock. On October 6, 2023, Hickson Mark E conducted an insider buy of 2,025 shares of Class A common stock. On October 6, 2023, McDermott William R conducted an insider buy of 2,025 shares of Class A common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have calculated the insider power to be negative with a ratio of -10.603. Overall, insiders have purchased 2,722,151 shares and sold 3,667,772 shares in the last 100 trades. We have evaluated this stock and unfortunately, our analysis is negative. Wondering if Fisker stock is a good buy? Fisker currently shows several negative signals and is experiencing a significant downward trend. Based on this, we anticipate weak performance in the coming days or weeks. Thus, our evaluation of this stock is negative. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. On Friday, November 24th, we expect Fisker to open with a decrease of $0.110, starting trading at $2.01. Before we begin, it's important to understand that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. It's always a good idea to consult a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest, where we provide you with a current view of the stock market. We value your opinion, so feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below. We're also curious to know your target for this stock. Remember to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. Our team wishes you successful trading and a beautiful day ahead.